Welcome to Mathotropism. In this video, we are going to see from the NCERT class 9th, chapter 6, Lines and Angles, exercise 6.3, sum 2. So in figure, angle X is equal to 62 degree, angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. And if YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY. What does that mean? Bisectors means that they are going to divide that particular angle into two equal halves. So YO and ZO are the bisectors of XYZ and XZY respectively of the triangle XYZ. Then find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So before proceeding to the solution, we will try to understand what is given and identify the kind of angles which we have to find. So first, what they have given that there is a triangle XYZ with the angle X being equal to 62 degree and angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. And then they have told us that YO is the bisector of angle XYZ. Now what does that mean? That means that the angle XYZ has been split into two with XYO equal to OYZ. Both are equal to half of the total angle XYZ. Similarly, ZO is the bisector of angle XZY, which means that angle XZO will be equal to angle OZY and both will be equal to half of the total angle XZY. Now what have they asked us to find is, first let us find angle OZY. Now OZY is the half of angle XZY. So what does that mean? We know angle X, we know angle Y. So we can find angle Z from the angle sum property of the triangle XYZ. So angle XYZ plus angle XZY plus angle YXZ all will be equal to 180 degree. So the sum of them is 180 degree. So we can find from that angle XZY, and ultimately half of that angle is the angle OZY. So now if we see the triangle OYZ, we have already found a half of angle XYZ and half of angle XZY, which is nothing but OYZ and OZY. So again, using the angle sum property of the triangle OYZ, we can find the other required angle of angle YOZ. So let us now proceed to solving the sum. So we are going to form equations and find the values. So given is angle X is equal to 62 degree and angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. Let us keep this as equation 1. Then we know that YO is the bisector of the angle XYZ. So angle XYO plus angle OYZ is half of angle XYZ, which is nothing but 54 divided by 2, which is equal to 27 degree. Let us keep this as equation 2. Finally, ZO is the bisector of angle XYZ. So we'll just form the equations of XZO is equal to OZY, which is half of the angle XZY, the total angle. We will keep this equation as equation 3. Now what we need to find is angle OZY and angle YOZ. So to start with the solution, since we need to find OZY, we need to know the bigger angle, that is the total angle XZY. So angle XZY plus angle XYZ plus angle YXZ is equal to 180 degree from the angle sum property of the triangle XYZ. So from 1 we can substitute the values. We get angle XZY plus 54 degree plus 62 degree is 180 degree, which implies that angle XZY is equal to 180 minus 116 degree, which is equal to 64 degree. So this is the total angle XZY. So what will be angle OZY? It is half of that. So that comes to 64 by 2, which is equal to 32 degree from the equation 3. Let us keep this equation as 4. Now again, we know angle OYZ and we know angle OZY. So we can find angle YOZ from the angle sum property of the triangle O, Y and Z. So angle OZY plus angle OYZ plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. From the equation 2 and 4, if we substitute the values, we get angle YOZ plus 32 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 180 degree, which implies angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree minus 59, which is equal to 121 degrees. So in this sum we have directly used the angle sum property in both the cases for finding both the angles. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Next video will be uploaded on Sunday at 4:15 p.m. IST. Thank you.